of breaking news to talk about. First one is, as you guys know, Ripple teaming up with MasterCard, Web Bank, and Gemini to bring stablecoin settlement with RLUSD to improve fiat payments. We literally have one of the biggest payments players, MasterCard, using XRP and the RLUSD. Guys, this is an absolutely massive announcement for XRP, but as usual, whenever we see something big being announced, we see the price of XRP doing nothing or going down, and as of now, unfortunately, XRP is moving down 5%, trading at $2.21. We do have the official announcement from Ripple nonetheless, and that is we're collaborating with MasterCard, Web Bank, and Gemini to introduce RLUSD settlements on the XRP ledger for fiat credit card payments, starting with the Gemini XRP credit card. We have the Gemini XRP MasterCard credit card, and this initiative sets a new benchmark for institutional efficiency, enabling faster, compliant, and more transparent settlement within traditional finance, which means that any companies using MasterCard will use the RLUSD XRP ledger through MasterCard. The future of payments is here. And we do have a video of MasterCard being upgraded to Ripple. Let's take a look at this.
There are many use cases now, very successful investment use cases, and I won't go through these in detail other than to say very briefly that there are good reasons why a lot of value is being captured. So if you look at number one, as I already mentioned, we need infrastructure to allow for the digitalization of finance and commerce, and that's being created by companies with names like Anchorage and Fireblocks and Kraken and so on. And these are digital custodians or wallets or marketplaces, and we're investors in all of those, are ones that we show as examples here. In terms of monies and commodities and assets, the same thing is true. We're taking things like Swift or Visa or MasterCard, and we're upgrading them into digital equivalents, which have names like Ripple or Yellow Card, and we're digitalizing monies like the US dollar into things like Tether and Circle, and we're an investor in Tether and Circle as well. At the commodity level, we can take gold, and you can buy and sell gold physically or through derivatives like ETFs, but we're now tokenizing gold, so you can buy and sell gold over digital wallets and digital infrastructure with things like Pax Gold. So we can do it with traditional commodities. Of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum are new to the world commodities, and we were early investors in them as well. And then you can do it with any other asset. So we can actually take any asset, like the example here, a money market fund from BlackRock. We can tokenize that and make that money market fund called BIDL be available in digital infrastructure anywhere in the world 24/7. And that's why BlackRock's so excited by the tokenization of other real world assets.
And keep in mind, we have BlackRock using XRP and the RLUSD. We have from Ashish Burla, CEO of Evernorth, mentioning BlackRock, and he says, grateful for the opportunity to me such an impactful event. Looking forward to hearing insights from industry leaders at firms like BlackRock and Fidelity on where the industry is heading. We have BlackRock attending the Ripple Swell event, and they wouldn't be doing this unless there was some sort of association happening with BlackRock and XRP. We have Ripple Swell location being very close to BlackRock's headquarters. And we have from Ashish, believe when others do not. We have Mr. Poole also talking about BlackRock as well. So BlackRock adopting XRP and the RLUSD, the biggest institution. Guys, this is the biggest thing that can happen to Ripple XRP. And we have from Securitize, Carlos Domingo, who is the founder and CEO. He says, we work closely with Ripple to make sure any tokenized asset we have integrates well with RLUSD for on-chain liquidity, purchasing the assets, and more. That's potentially the largest use case out there. We have XRP powering the tokenization market, tokenized assets, tokenized precious metals, and so on. And we do have a video of David Schwartz and Ashish Burla unveiling Evernorth. We have XRP's micro strategy moment arriving. Let's take a look at this.
I took the CEO job after I declined it.
He wanted someone more handsome than you, that's why. Well, Evernorth is a XRP digital asset treasury, and what Evernorth does is you can get exposure to XRP, and eventually what all the XRP ecosystem has to offer via a publicly traded stock on the NASDAQ. The ticker symbol is XRPN. What do you think about that?
I took this.
Guys, the XRP supply shock has officially begun. And lastly, we have 7 trillion Charles Schwab CEO Rick Wurster saying the company plans to launch crypto trading the first half of 2026. Guys, 2026 is looking like a very, very bullish year. But as we say, that is when we will see the market top. We are expecting a parabolic pump blow off top to happen also in 2026, and then the market crashing, the everything bubble. We have bye-bye unregulated crypto exchanges. We have banks, institutions, TradFi services now offering crypto services. Let's take a look at this video from CNBC.
How you're launching Bitcoin trading next year. How's that effort going, and what are you seeing so far in the plans?
Well, we're having a lot of success in the crypto space. Our clients are engaged in it today. If you look at the exchange traded products that are crypto related, our clients actually own 20% of them. And our clients are coming to our research site 90% more than they were last year. So as a group, our clients are engaged in it, very interested in it. And for most people, they're not actually going onto the blockchain to spend or use Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. And so for them, the exchange traded product is a safe and comfortable way for them to invest. All that said, we will get into spot crypto, and we plan to do that in the first half of next year. And we're thrilled about that because we know we have lots of clients who have the vast majority of their assets at Schwab, but are holding some at digitally native firms and keep asking us to launch this so that they can bring their crypto assets to us. And we're thrilled to be able to do that.
How you're launching Bitcoin.
That is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully Charles Schwab offers XRP trading.